Good morning, students. Welcome to the session of virtual class. Today, in this class, we will study the topic heartbeat of chapter number 4, circulatory system. Now, heartbeat is generated when the blood flows in the heart. Already, you have in the previous topic, you have studied about the circulation of blood in the heart. It starts from superior vena cava into the right auricle. When right auricle fills with the blood goes into the right ventricle. After the right ventricles they are filled with the blood, they push the blood with the pressure into the pulmonary artery, which takes it to the lungs for oxygenation. And after oxygenation means when the oxygen is added to the deoxygenated blood. So after oxygenation, it flows back into the left atrium through the pulmonary vein. This fills the left auricle with the blood and opens the valve and makes the flow of blood into the left ventricle. Again, left ventricle pushes the blood with a great pressure into the aorta, and aorta distributes the blood throughout the body to the different parts of the body. So this is the pathway which constitutes the flow of blood in the heart. So this complete pathway constitutes a cardiac cycle. This one complete cycle from superior vena cava into till the aorta and back again from body to superior vena cava. This is called as cardiac cycle. So one cardiac cycle means one heartbeat. So this cardiac cycle constitutes the heartbeat. Now, as we know that heart is surrounded by cardiac muscles, so these muscles they generate an electric signal which starts the point of initiation. Now, there is in the left, as you can see in the diagram, in the right auricle, there is a sinus node which we call it as SA node. Node means this is a bundle of nerves. So this sinoatrial node, it is a point from where the initiation of cardiac cycle will start. Means the impulse is generated at this point. So this sinoatrial node in the upper walls of the right atrium. So location is very important. It is in the upper walls of the right atrium. So this generates an impulse and passes on to the cardiac muscles. So next, on the side of the right atrium, you can see AV node, which is called as atrioventricular node. So this captures the impulse and transmits into the rest of the cardiac muscles of the heart. So an impulse is generated which starts the contraction of the auricle. So this is called this initiation point. It is called as the starting impulse of the heartbeat. So sinoatrial node act as an pacemaker with any apparatus which initiates the impulse. So it acts as a pacemaker for the heart to generate the heartbeat. So sometime in certain conditions, if your sinoatrial node is not working properly or any defect occurs, then we have to induce an artificial pacemaker in the person's body. So this here in this diagram, you can see an artificial pacemaker has been induced in a person and which function same as of your sinoatrial node. So this will initiate or start the cardiac cycle in the heart. So cardiac cycle, we can say it forms an electrical conducting system which starts our heartbeat. So this is a heartbeat, that is one full cardiac cycle makes your heartbeat, and the sinoatrial node, it is the initiating point of the cardiac cycle. Now students, please take note of this important instruction. Topic heart conditions and lymphatic systems are excluded from your syllabus in this year. So you have to do your chapter only till heartbeat. and exercises will be given in PDF on the WhatsApp group of your class. Thank you.